What if I told you that right now on Google Maps, there are thousands of businesses practically handing you an opportunity to get paid every single month. And all it takes is plugging in AI. Sounds crazy, but stick with me because this is one of the easiest ways I know for beginners to start making real recurring income online. You don't need coding skills, you don't need marketing experience, and you don't need thousands of dollars to get started. If you can use Google and copy and paste, you can do this. And I'm not just saying that. This is the exact same model I personally use to generate monthly recurring income online, and it's already been duplicated by hundreds of others. Now, before we go any further, I wanna make something clear. I'm not gonna sell you a $997 course, and there's no high ticket program waiting at the end of this video. I'll give you my full step-by-step course, my scripts, my templates, even access to a live bootcamp to get this entire business set up in the next 24 hours, all 100% free. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, we're gonna jump in. I'm gonna show you what this business model is and how we use Google Maps to actually make $300 a day with AI. The way that we actually go about finding these small local business owners is we just head here to Google and I'm gonna type in auto repair in Daytona Beach. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on one of these businesses, and what you're able to actually see as you go through and find these businesses, on almost every single one of these businesses' websites, there's a spot where they have their Facebook, their Twitter, their Instagram, and multiple ways for you to actually go and reach out to them. And so if I was wanting to go through and offer my AI solution to these businesses, which I'm gonna show you where we're gonna actually be setting up and fulfilling the problem that we'll be solving for these businesses. But what I would do is I would just come in here and I would click on their Facebook page, and then I could just go ahead and send them a quick message on their Facebook page. I could send them a text message and just start reaching out to these businesses in multiple different ways over the course of the next week. Now, what you'll start to realize is that a lot of these businesses, especially if you give them a phone call, it usually takes quite a bit of time before they actually get back to you. And for these local businesses, that is actually a problem, because if real customers, if real people are looking for these businesses, if they're looking up auto repair or they're looking up plumbing or hair salon, if that business doesn't respond within the next few minutes, potential customers, they have a list of all of these businesses in the area, and so they can just go ahead and reach out to the next business. And so what we actually say to these businesses when we reach out to them is, I just built an AI employee for Daytona Auto Repair that will get you 3 to 5 appointments in the next 7 days for free. Do you want to see it? So the very problem that I just explained to you of these businesses not getting back to their customers fast enough, that is what we're going to actually solve for them with AI. So now that we've broken down how we can actually use Google to find small local business owners in your area, I'm going to break down and show you inside of the simple AI software how we go through and set this up for them. So the first thing that we're going to set up for these small local businesses are AI voice agents to handle any of their missed phone calls. What we want to actually think about as we're reaching out to small local businesses to set them up with AI solutions is we want to think of it in terms of what problems we are solving for them to help them make more money and not have to do certain things that maybe they hate or that just take up too much time. And so there's an actual statistic, so I'm going to click on Voice AI right here, that 62% of calls to small local businesses are actually left unanswered. And so I'm going to just click on Create Agent. So I'm going to click on Create Custom Agent. And what we're doing is we're going to save the missed calls that these businesses get. And so if I were to come in here and say, hey, I want to give a call to Udell's Landscape Services, and they didn't pick up the phone, if they had an AI voice agent that we're going to set up, we'll just set one up for Udell's Landscape right here. If they had an AI agent set up, instead of me going down and calling the next business to get a different quote, connect with somebody else, what's going to happen is I'm going to actually be able to talk to an AI voice agent that is custom trained to their specific business. And so we're going to go ahead and name this agent. I'm going to name this agent Leo right here, and we're going to call this Udell's Landscape Services. So I'm just going to actually click on the website, because what we're going to do is we're going to use their website to actually train the AI voice agent specific to the business. Then we're going to select a voice right here. There's 212 voices you can actually choose from. Now I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to paste this in, because this is the first thing that the AI will say when somebody calls into the business. And so I'm going to go ahead and just click on next. And then what we do right here inside of agent goals is we just select the details that we want the AI to collect from whoever it is that's calling into the business. And so because this is a home services business, We want to know what their address is. If we were setting this up for a dentist, we probably wouldn't need to ask their address right there on the spot. And so we're going to go name, email, and then what their inquiry is. So now I'm just going to hit next. And what we want to set up now for the business is we want to just get them a new phone number, which we would just have the business owner pay for it. It costs literally $1 to get a phone number. And how we set this up for the business is we don't want them to have to change their phone number. They have their phone number on their website, on Google. They might have it even on their truck. This is not something that business owners want to do. And so all that we're setting up is a backup phone number so that anytime somebody calls into their business or a potential customer calls in and they're not able to pick up the phone because somebody's calling in after hours or they're busy on the job, we can just have it forward to this new AI phone number. So I just actually came in here, I purchased a number, and so I'm just going to select this phone number right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Now, the last thing that we're going to do before I actually go through and give it a phone call to test this out is make sure that it has all of the information that is on this website. And so I'm just going to go ahead right here where it says select knowledge base. I'm going to click on create new, and then I'm just going to click on add source and then web crawler. And then I'm just going to paste in the URL of their website and click on extract data. And so now it's just going to take a few seconds. The AI is going to scrape. It's going to get all of the information, their services, their pricing, their schedule. And if there's any additional information that the business owner says, hey, we get these questions asked a lot, or I don't have this info on our website, but this is kind of a script, or just anything that the business wants the AI to know, we can just come in here and click on add source again, and then add any frequently asked questions. And so we can just put in the question right there and the answer, and then just click on save. And so what I'm now going to do is actually give this number a phone call to test it out, because we want to make sure that it's working good for the business before we actually make it live in their business. And so I'm going to toggle this off to just have the AI agent answer every call directly. I'm going to click on save, and we're just going to dial this up.
Hey, you have reached Udell's Landscape. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I was hoping to get a quote. I need some projects done in my yard.
Got it. Let me take down some details so we can get back to you with a quote. Can I start with your name?
Yeah, it's Travis.
Thanks. Just to confirm, that's Travis, Travis.
Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Thanks, Travis. Could you share your email address so we can reach out to you?
Yeah, it's just travis@gmail.com.
Thanks, Travis. Just to confirm, that's travis@gmail.com, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Great. Could you also provide your address so we know where the project will be?
Yeah, it's just 123 Main Street.
Thanks. In the meantime, could you share a bit about the projects you're looking to have done?
Yeah, I just need like some trees. I want to put in a few trees.
Got it. You're looking to have some trees planted. Thanks for sharing that, Travis. I'll make sure our team knows so they can assist you with the details and provide a quote. Is there anything else you'd like help with while we're on the call?
No, that should be it.
Thanks, Travis. We'll have someone reach out to you soon about your project. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Now, as you just saw there, that took about 3 to 5 minutes to set up a simple AI voice agent for a small local business that is actually going to save the business owner time, and it's going to save them deals. And so, as I said at the beginning, if you just hit the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with a friend, I will send you a link that is going to give you access to a full step-by-step course, plus the templates and scripts to get this entire business up and running in the next 24 hours, plus hopping into a free live boot camp. And in the step-by-step course, you'll actually learn how to set up various AI solutions in just 5 to 10 minutes for small local business owners. You get to set the price points, and you keep 100% of whatever it is that you charge. And so if that sounds good, just hit the like button, drop a comment below, and I'll send you that private link, and then I'll see you on the other side.